So, we're going to talk really quickly about writing your introduction. So today in class, we talked about writing a hook. You will be able to find information about how to write a hook on your outline, as well as on this slideshow, which I may link to the assignment for today's Edpuzzle. But let's talk about writing the introduction itself really quickly. So after you get your hook in, to write a strong introduction, the first thing that you need to do is give context. Describe the history of the issue or the situation that you're discussing in your essay. Tell me what you're writing about, basically. What is the problem that you are trying to solve, right? What are you arguing about? You're going to be making a claim. What is that claim about? Give me a few sentences at least. Remember that a paragraph should be, 4 to 7 sentences, four at the least, no more than 7 or 8. And if you don't give at least a few sentences of context, it's likely that it will be too short with just a hook and a claim, right? You can also include a quote if you want that helps build that context for me. Give some data about the problem, right? If you're writing about homelessness, give me a quote about the statistics of homelessness, etc., etc. Give me some data maybe in a quote. This will strengthen the context of your argument, and make sure you give me a few sentences describing the problem or the context of the situation. Then you need to include your strong claim that we've written about in class. This is all in your argument outline, remember that. I just wanted to go over it really quick with you and give you this review on it before you have to write it. So go ahead and write those strong introductions for us. Make sure you're adding more than just your claim and your hook and a quote, right? You need some context as well.